In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a link in Google Chrome. If you've ever wondered how to remove those pesky entries from your history or autofill suggestions, you've come to the right place. We'll break it down step by step so you can have a cleaner browsing experience in no time. To get started, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. Once you're there, take a good look at the top right corner of your browser screen. You should see a three-dot menu. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This little menu is your gateway to an array of settings and tools. From here, you want to select History. Don't worry if it seems like a lot, we'll guide you through all these steps. After clicking History, another menu will pop up that gives you access to your entire browsing history. This is where every single page you've visited is listed, so it's handy for those times you need to track down an old link. But we're focusing on deleting entries today. In this history section, you'll see a list of pages organized by time and date. Scroll through until you find the link you want to delete. As you hover over each entry, you'll notice a checkbox appearing on the left side. Click this checkbox next to the link you wish to remove. At the top of the page, you'll see an option to select and delete multiple entries as well. If you change your mind, no worries. Uncheck the box at any time before the final deletion step. With the unwanted link or link selected, take your attention to the area above where it says Delete. This option becomes available once something is checked. Click on it, and voila! The selected entries will disappear from your browsing history as if they never existed. It's a great way to tidy up and keep your history list relevant and uncluttered. But what about those times when a link still seems to show up in your address bar suggestions even after you've removed it from the history? Easy. When typing in the URL bar, if a suggestion pops up that you want gone, simply use the down arrow to highlight it and press the Shift+Delete keys on your keyboard. This will ensure the suggestion doesn't bother you anymore. And there you have it, your own quick and simple method for making sure unwanted links are gone from your history and suggestions in Google Chrome. By following these intuitive steps, you can maintain a browser experience that's more tailored to your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing.